Hey, aloha and mahalo everyone. It's been a while since I given an update on what we're doing here on our land. Yeah, so we now have three parcels. Um, thank God for all this. But this is ours where we live. We've been living here off grid. Um, yeah, for probably a little over a month now, and we've continued on cultivating this land. So now you can basically drive in. We put in a driveway. We put gravel down so your beautiful car can drive in now, um, all the way to our cabin. Let me show you around. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Help support us. Ask questions. You know, how to buy a land here. Um, why buying a land here? Um, and is it really cheap to live here off grid? All right, so don't forget to ask those questions and subscribe, like, support our channel. Okay, so let me turn this around so I can show you guys what's going on since my last updates and the last video. I will probably link it somewhere here, so look out for that. So let me turn this. Okay, and here we are. So this is what we planted, and look, they've grown. So we have the bananas or wish, sugar cane, another banana, coconut, sugar cane, um, tapioca, papaya, a Hawaiian breadfruit. So that is a Hawaiian breadfruit. Tapioca here, another sugar cane, another wish, banana, and then tapioca, sugar cane, another Hawaiian breadfruit. Yeah, so this is what we planted here. So it's right as you drive in the driveway. We filled it in. I really don't want to, yeah. So, oops, here they come. But anyways, so that's what we did. And this is the next thing that we worked on. This is my very first Sakau plant. Looks like it's really growing. Some things are coming out of the bottom, so it looks like it's branching off, which is really nice to see. And then I planted all this potatoes. So potatoes. Yeah. This one's already, you guys already seen this. We planted about a year, not quite a year yet, but almost there, a year ago. And then so more Sakau plants here. So this is brand new taro badge. All the taros on this specific badge is called Palawan taros. So I don't know. I'll show you guys when they're fully grown and all that stuff. But as of now, I'm new. I don't know what this thing is. Yeah, this Hawaiian chili peppers. They're really green and yeah, starting to come out. So they're really good. Yeah, and so this is a new taro badge. You guys already see the other taro badges. They're pretty big. You know, they're grown up, very big, and really growing well. So yeah, that's not what I want to show you guys because you guys already seen this, all of this. So more sugar cane here. And say hello to my Dora. Hi Dora. Hi Dora. Say hi to everybody. Ask them to subscribe to your channel, Dora. All right, guys. So that's new. Oh yeah, let me show you some more stuff here. Sorry. Okay. And then as you guys can see, I don't know. Let me see if I can focus on it. There. See? So there are Sakaus. Sakau, 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 Sakau. Or is it Kava? Yeah, Kava, Kava, Kava. Kava in where? Samoan or Hawaiian or Polynesian? Let's just say Polynesian. Okay, okay, okay. Let's run away from this, guys. Okay, 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 okay. All right, let me go show you something else. And voila! This is another new taro patch. Yeah, so I just created this and just planted them. So there are two species of taros here. So this first section here comes down to here. So this is the end of it. So from here to that way is a different species. And then from here to that side is a different species. All right. And on the back side, you guys can see some beautiful plants right there. Sakau, 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 Kava, 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 Kava. So Kava everywhere. Sakau, Sakau, Kava everywhere. And yeah, I just planted this one. As I told you guys before, there's really no soil here. So this, I had to scrape them. Scrape them from everywhere and combine them. Now you have a foot or so of soil, depth of soil here. Okay, so more kava, and then a mountain apple back there, bananas. Now she has keikis coming out, and then we have tapiocas, more tapiocas that I just planted. So these are new, very new, very new, very new tapiocas. Yeah, so tapiocas are new. And then I also just planted this ulu. So this is a ulu that I just planted. All right. Okay, so this will turn into a pretty big, maybe what, just ulu farm. I don't know, but we'll have to grind or whatever all these trees, trunks, and whatever, and also going all the way. My property goes a little bit further down the highway, so it needs to be cleared up. Okay, so, and I don't know, I planted this, but we're gonna move it, yeah, because I have a huge plan for this section here. Aloha! And so, yeah, a lot going on here, still building, so our living room is up there, and then a first floor we're building, so still a lot of things needs to be done here. Yeah, a lot. So we're installing the water pump maybe next week, and then we'll, yeah. So here's another banana that's has keikis coming up. Yeah, so there is our living room up there. Yeah. Okay. And the first floor is where we're gonna have our laundromat, and all sorts of stuff. Another restroom possibly down here. And then we're gonna build a maybe 6,000 gallon or something water catchment somewhere here. Yeah. Sorry for the mess. Yeah, this all gonna clean up. Yeah, this is my fish pond. As of now, it's full of sticks. But this is actually gonna be my fish, koi fish pond. Yeah, so gonna clean it out, take everything out of here, and then build a fish pond. And then of course we're going to, you know, make a barbecue stalls, everywhere here surrounding it. Hi Dora! Hi Dora! Hi Coco! Say hi to everybody.
Hi everybody.
Well, where's my RJ?
Inside.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, you know, one thing we're gonna do here also is putting up a ramp. Yeah, so we're gonna build a ramp here. So that's why we're building the. Okay, let me just show you a little bit inside here. Okay, so yeah, you're gonna be here looking down in the pond. Right now, no pond, but ugly sticks and stuff, trees. But everything will be cleaned out and then turn it into a beautiful pond. So here is a little area outside of our living room to sit and drink coffee and look out into the natural universe. And then yeah, so yep, here we are. So I already have a, what is that, sova or whatever you call that thing. Yeah, I have a Wi-Fi extender, putting in all the wires here. No light yet here, so right, go in. Yeah, still working on the kitchen. We're gonna put in the flooring maybe this week too, and then connect the water. So see that we already put up the P-trap. So it has the P-trap up there. Tools necessary to work here. You have the water, hot water and cold water lines, and we're gonna run those lines in later on today. We put up the handles the other day, installed the stove, and then we're gonna put a microwave oven sitting right here on top, and then a toilet bowl, toilet in the restroom. So this is the restroom here. There's a light. Okay, but it's not quite done. This is what powers the house. It's a Lux power, and we're using a 48 volts battery. Yeah, so now see, last night it's down to 3. Now it's charging, of course, so you can check. Yep, it's charging. See, charging the battery, and I only have a PV1. Yeah, PV2 is not. I don't have any on PV2, so now it's providing what, 2 kilowatts hour. Yeah, 120 volts. Oh wow, 91. Ooh, 91 point something kilowatts. It's pretty good. 275 volts. 200. Wow, that's pretty good. So there you go. So that's what providing power to the entire house. Yeah, we have a lot of things. So the fridge is on. Sorry guys, these are not clean. It's messy, you know. We're not even clean up anything. There's nothing but what is that? Mahi fillet. Wow, it's empty. Okay, empty. Yeah, that's what happened when only boys live in this house. Nobody clean up. Look, there's rice. Oh my gosh, and then burn. Look at that. Okay, anyways, I'm happy that my sink is ready. Almost ready. Yeah, we're gonna install the water and everything this week. We're gonna hook up this guy. We have a water pump ready to rock and roll, and it's gonna pump all the water up that we need for the shower and for the kitchen and everything. All right, okay guys, yeah, so thanks for watching. I know this is a little bit of a long video. Yeah, so you can sit here out here drinking coffee, in the morning, and look out in the taro bed. Look at that, look out in the taro bed, and we're gonna build a future men's house over there somewhere. Okay, and yeah, our property extend a little bit on this side, but we haven't had a chance to clean it up yet. But we will clean it up, and we're gonna farm it, put more taro patches down, we'll plant more bananas, more ulu trees, and all the things that we islanders love to eat. Yeah, thank you so much. Um, yeah, love this retirement life, and then working on this land. And then after this, we have 2 more parcels to work on. Um, and then my boat is coming in next month. So I will be busy fishing and busy farming and busy clearing, and so man, it's fun when there's a lot of things to do, huh? Very fun. Um, yeah, so I'm flying to Oahu today. Um, yeah, flying to Oahu, probably returning tonight or tomorrow morning, and then we'll continue working on this, trying to finish up everything. Yeah, so hope you and your family are doing well. If you have any questions or comments or whatever you want to throw it my way, you're more than welcome to do so. Don't forget to subscribe, please, and like all the videos. Yeah, okay. And yes, um, it's hard work here, but at least we have all the equipments. When I was doing that taro patch over there, I was using a skid steer. That helped a lot. And I keep thinking back to our ancestors, and they don't have equipments. They just work with their bare hands. So yes, this is hard work, but it's nothing compared to what those guys have been did for so many years. So continue to give aloha and mahalos to the Hawaiian spirits, Hawaiian goddesses, kings and queens, and Hawaiians in general for sharing their aina, sharing their beautiful lands with our family and with us, Micronesians, Polynesians, Samoans and Tongans. We all come here, and they share their land with us. And so we must continue to give, to praise them and give them thanks, mahalos, for sharing this beautiful land of theirs with us. Um, so yeah, I am truly grateful and appreciative for this um, opportunity, to have a land here, and with so I keep on thanking our Hawaiian brothers and sisters. Um, I know, you read all this negative stuff about homelessness and all that and stuff, and it bothers me because, this is Hawaiian land. Um, but yeah, it's tough. It's a tough choice, you know. Some of us, they just want to have fun, drink, 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 um, part of gangs and whatever. Some of us are doing really good. Um, some of us find enjoyment in different things. Like me, I enjoy farming. I enjoy, even if I'm alone working, I still enjoy myself. I really do enjoy it. And so, some people, they just enjoy dancing, go to the bars and drinking. That's an enjoyment, I guess. Some people, they use drugs. Um, yeah, my family is the same. Uh, yeah, so I don't know. Um, we can only show them what we can accomplish. Um, Before, when I was young, I never thought that I would, you know, own a house in Washington State and then come here in Hawaii and buy and bought 3 lands and then, you know, enjoy. I never thought of those things. I thought I wouldn't be able to, but looking back now, I was like, wow, that was easy. Yeah, you just have to put your mind, you know. So, brothers and sisters, yes, we need to get back these lands, man. Yeah. Y'all, you know, if you have money, come on, come back to the islands, man. Um, and buy a piece of paradise and turn it into your own universe. You know, grow lands, live off grid, so you don't have to pay for water. You don't have to pay for electricity. Um, yeah. So, all right. I think I talked too much. All right, y'all have fun. Take care of your family. Take care of yourself. And mahalos. And don't forget, like. God bless.